Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts in English. I hope you will like them. If you like the video, please like and share it. You can also get paragraphs, letters, stories, poems and quotes of many different inspirational personalities. Now let's start our motivational quotes. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. The only way to do great work is to love to what you do. Setting goals is the first step to turning the invisible into the visible. Try not to become a man of success, but rather become a man of value. Think like a queen. Queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. A man who has committed a mistake and doesn't correct it is committing another mistake. Take the attitude of a student. Never be too big to ask questions and never know too much to learn something new. He is a wise man who doesn't grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you.